of course, first championship naman po in 3 decades. So, how do you think, what do you think are your chances this year for Rico?
Siyempre, we're going for back-to-back repeat history this year. Siyempre, mataas yung chances namin coming off stellar performance last year, and madaming nawala, maraming bagong pasok, madaming recruits, madaming sa expectations sa amin, but I feel like ma-live up namin yun, expectations yun because of our hard work sa off-season na to. Hopefully, yung team chemistry namin mapakita na namin sa October 1.
Clint, mas may target sa inyo ngayon kasi yun nga, champion. Nararamdaman mo ba yung bigat mo as team captain and yun nga, senior ka?
Yes, syempre, lahat naman talaga may pressure eh, pero it's how you embrace that pressure and how you play with it, how you deal with it. Yun talagang in-instill ang mga coaches namin sa team and especially sa community. Daming umaasa sa amin. Ready naman kami kasi we backed it up with hard work sa practice. Everyday nakikita ko sa mga teammates ko, sa mga coaching staff, mapapakita namin yun.
Of course, may mga nawala during the off-season. So how are you taking that change in roster and coaching?
Siyempre, tapos na yun. Like, off-season is off-season. Every season talaga, off-season talaga may drama eh. So, sanay na kami dun, especially since God knows when pa. So, we have to deal with it. Kasi andito na yung mga pyesa namin eh. I think na mag-ano talaga, step up talaga yung mga bagong recruits namin and especially yung mga inaasahan namin ng rookies and yung mga veteran na babalik.
Clint, you previously decided to skip the PBA draft. Alam ko meron ka pang isang season na tatapusin sa NC, pero dahil ba meron ka bang ina-expect or inaantay na offer from overseas kaya ka nag-skip na?
For me, syempre, yun talagang goal ng lot of Filipino hoopers out there. So, ako gusto ko lang talaga, mangarap talaga, why not, diba? So, kaya gusto ko muna mag-focus muna sa season na to para hopefully, in the future, magka-opportunity ako for that.
Now, kailangan, natanong na namin yung NCAA standpoint, pero from a player standpoint, ano masabi mo dun sa change ng format this time?
Medyo nakakaiba eh, which, well, madami talagang opinions about it. Pero for me, syempre, first ulit to eh, sa kung hanggang kailanman. So, I'm up for the challenge and sa bagong format na to, syempre, nakaka-excite din eh. Kasi like what I said na lahat talaga fair chance to compete for a title. So, magiging interesting to kasi for sure madaming drama and madaming new strategies na to come with it. And as a player, syempre, mag-iiba din yung way of looking mo sa game. So,